Check, check, check. Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 1, check. Mic check, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, check. Okay. So we're good today.
Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina.
Work it up easily, my sleeping beauty, wake it up. Control a double thumb, pressing on a back tempo, analog and radical. Baby, make it clap, her body medicinal. Normally girl you bad, she give me green light to make us please. Sorry, no sorry. She never skip class, steady delivering me. I know woman a dealing. And nigga will give me wahala, me they avoid them. Took her to my rush, so that she kiss her guessing talent. Lucky me a cup of supermodel with no agent. I did it with no agent. Put it in 99999. Put it in a me and sugar like a panabita. Cleopatra got a letter tip for interstellar. She bet me baby don't go, I'm never living up.
Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Hold bust up, stab the pussy up. I never no knife something. Lay down on the bed with the pussy wide open. Fit the cocky way, long is like she like trouble. She call my phone when she feel like she want to ride something. Grip me with the muscle and I make my mind puzzle. Pretty till she buck, she ever make me eye subtle. Chew on the titty nipple them like nothing. She give me the pretty filly them like nothing. Like a night hustle, so she wild might rustle. Press your like button sharp so she might cut you. Wine on the pool and a bubble like gogo. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina. Me make your tip on your toe like ballerina. On your toe like ballerina.
What am I looking at?
Tip on your toe like ballerina.
I don't know what I'm looking at.
On your toe like
Oh,
ballerina. Me make your
okay,
tip on
okay,
your toe
okay,
like
okay,
ballerina.
okay.
On your toe like
Ballerina. What's good, everybody, man? It's the Right Wrong Trades in the building. Today is the 10th of March 2026. Right now it's 4:53 p.m. I think we just got into let me see. Yeah, we're in London session right now. Yeah, so I'm trying to analyze these markets and trying to figure out where the market's going so I can try and catch a buy or sell, you know. Right now I'm looking at this is USD JPY. I can see it's been on the uptrend. Got to this point, consolidated a little bit before it broke through this high, but it has not been able to break that high again, because when it got there was a push back from the buyers that were here, the sellers that were here. So they pushed it down. The next amount of sellers are up here. So it's still on an uptrend, but this is just a crazy pullback. But right now I think it's back on the uptrend. Very weird movement, man. Sketch. But nonetheless, we have to, trade the market for what it is. So I can see that here they broke a structure, then it came back, made this pullback, sold and broke down here too, and then went back in. That means this is what happened. Broke structure and back in, boom, was not able to break this low again, and they decided, hey, I'm not really trying to go down, never mind, went back up, right? So what I can see based on what I just seen right now, so what I can guess is this is back on an uptrend. That's the low. Let's take this away. Let me bring this one right here. Okay, let me take this away too. So this high too. So we have this high, and get out of here. So we have this high, this low, this high, and it just broke to this high. So I think it's back on an uptrend. So this is according to the 4-hour time frame. All right. So this is still an uptrend because I'm marking out the lows. It seems like it's making higher lows and higher lows. It just made a new one, I think. Yeah, it made a new one before it pushed all the way up. And right now it came back down to taste it. Okay. All right. So what am I expecting to see from here? So when the market is on an uptrend, it makes this. That's a low, lower high. What? That's a low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it's supposed to go make a higher low. Then it goes and makes a higher high. So I'm expecting it to start selling, but I'm only waiting for buyers because this is an uptrend, right? And this could be where it's stopped right now. It could be like a stop, then it wants to keep going up, right? So let me just mark out this level good. Now this is what I have right now. This is the level that I'm dealing with here, and where's the support level that caused that break of structure? Let me see, because the break of structure was right here. Okay, it's right here, break of structure. This is the low. Let me mark this low that made this push. Now let me use the ray. Boom. And this is the high, this is the low, this is the break of structure. Come on, man. Oh shit. Okay, that's a break of structure. What? Break of structure. Okay, so I'm waiting for price to come, hopefully test this low, grab liquidity from this low, and then go all the way up and I target this highs. So far I think it's on a downtrend right now, because this is a high, made this low, broke that structure up there. Now it's yet to break this low to show us that it's trying to go lower. It just indicated that it wants to go, so it just grabbed some liquidity and it's showing us that it wants to. This could be let's go to the 1 hour time frame now, because that's where we can see some stuff. So according to the 1 hour time frame, this is the break of structure, this is the low went up, made this. Now we're on a downtrend right now. We're waiting for a structure shift in the 1 hour time frame to show us that price is going back bullish, right? So here is where we would expect that reaction, because this is where the support was that made this move, right? So right now what I'm supposed to be doing is marking out these lows. Sorry, take this off. Let me turn these indicators off too. It's past trades and stuff. Okay, so this is what we have right now. Let me also get rid of this. Let me make it dotted then. Alright, so this is what I'm waiting for. This is a support level. This is what I'll be targeting. This will be my TP up here, and right now we're at there's another support level down here. So price just broke past this level, this support level, but it just closed. So that could have been liquidity. That could have been a liquidity grab, and price is looking to go all the way up. So let me go the 5-minute time frame and see what really happened, and see if we're really back up. I think we are, because it grabbed liquidity, made this fair value gap, and this is where I could have bought from. This is where I could have bought from, because after I did that, made a fair value gap, and should have bought from the fair value gap here. When it immediately touched the fair value gap, this should have been my entry. Boom. Then I put a target of 1 to 2. Yep. But in this case, I should be looking to targeting this high all the way up here. Right? Because that's what I want. That's what I'm looking for. Because price broke structure here on the 1-minute time frame. It broke structure, made this high, made this pullback, and right now it just grabbed liquidity from this low, and then it made a fair value gap, and then I got in from the fair value gap, and now I'm targeting the highs. So yeah, that could be a very nice trade. But let me see, because there's still some resistance according to when you go back to the 5-minute time frame. So let me see. I really don't see a change of character yet. The fair value gap could be the change of character, but it's not really a guarantee that's gonna go all the way up there. So let me try and see. So this was the support, it got broken. It made another support, got broken. It made another support, got broken, and that's a high. So right here should have been my TP, because there's gonna be a reaction there. I should wait for a change of character from over here now, because this is the high, higher low, and this is the low now. So for me to get into this trade, again, I'm gonna need to see, because this is already done. This is a nice trade actually. I should have been on the lookout for this trade, but it's gone now. It's gone. So what I should do right now is wait for another opportunity to get into the trade. So looking at this right here, I'm waiting to see a structure, a change of character now, because this is the higher low, and then this is the low, right? So I'm expecting price to, if it's really trying to go back bullish, it's gonna break this, make a correction. Then on this correction, I'm gonna be on the 5-minute time frame, waiting for a change of character. Then I'll buy from there. Put my target. I'll put this low as my stop loss, and then I target this high again. So I can still trade this. So I don't know how to. I'm gonna be on the lookout for this trade. So I need to be sharp. I need to see where I need to keep up with this trade and know where it's gonna go. But yeah, so yeah, let me write it down. Let me type it down. No, let me put it here. Yep, let me just put it here. So this is one I'm looking at. Okay, I'm waiting to see a reaction there. Okay, all right. So I think I'm gonna stick with this one right now. I'll stick with this one until I find an entry, or I'll be able to spot another entry. Because right now it's looking good. It's doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's making bullish indications. It's telling me that it's trying to go back bullish, but I need more confirmations before I get into this trade. And yeah, we gotta be patient. According to when I'm looking at gold, there's a lot going on. I've been able to grab some buys here and there, but right now it's just doing stuff. I don't know what it's doing right now, but I think it's trying to break structure and keep going up because it's been consolidating for like 2 weeks now. but right now it has finally broken away from this level. It's trying to, at least. So yeah, I use smart money divergence to trade gold, because I don't know, it has too much manipulation, and it's just stressful trading it. So I've been getting a guarantee of trades, like just waiting on my entries. But so far, these are my entries right now. This is what I'm waiting for gold to hit. Although it's going high, I'm still expecting it to come and hit these lows, so that I can get in on an entry. I missed out on this one because I was taking a shower, and I missed out on this one because I wasn't in the crib. I was walking out. So this would have been a good day too, because all of them played out well. So I'll just trade again tomorrow. But this is what I'll be looking at. I'll give you guys an update on how this trade goes tomorrow. So, alright. That's me, man. That's me. I'm still trying to figure it out every day. Until we're back, until I start making some money here, this is what I'm gonna be doing. Just showing you guys how I think when I'm trying to like get into trades and everything. I'm still learning. I'm hoping everybody's learning with me too. Alright, man. Peace.